Hi everybody, today I'm gonna wrap up the document that I'm working on that will outline our upgradable smart contract strategy. That's it for me for today.
Hi, yesterday I've started to redesign the SDK. I started to change the old JavaScript to ES6 and change things like then and catch statements to async await. That's all.
So like Yaron, I'm working on the SDK. I create 4 methods and we're moving all the connection between the apps to the SDK.
Hey guys, so yesterday I continued working on a decentralized ride-hailing app mockups. You can see it here, some of it. And today I'm actually going to pause on that since we have a very important car manufacturer proposal we need to make for. And this is it. Thanks.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday the main focus was helping to flush out the new narrative and then also working on some of the strategy when it comes to engagement. Today the main focus was actually implementing the engagement strategy that we had created, and then also doing some additional tweaks to the narrative as well, and then also some changes to the website for some legal reasons. Thanks everybody, have a great day.
Hi guys, yesterday I attended an event at the Ernst & Young offices. Today I am following up on some of the leads that I got from there, and we'll be mapping out some of the smart cities initiatives at universities and cities that we can find. See you next time.
Hey Davers, Alec here. Hey. Yesterday, as I mentioned, I had a meeting with our lawyers here in Israel, with their business team. We're actually following up a very interesting lead in Asia, actually in China. We'll see how that goes very soon. I'm getting ready for Volkswagen's event with EcoMotion that will be taking place tomorrow. They will be talking about new train systems and new transportation systems in Germany. Other than that, everything's good. Bye.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today started the day with filming the developers for the DailyDAV, and then I re-uploaded a bunch of our videos to a platform that we can share with China. After that I edited the DailyDAV, and for the rest of the day I'm gonna continue working on the DailyDAV makeover. That's it for now, see you next time.
Hi guys, today I'll continue make changes in our homepage. I'll work at illustration in section what blockchain means to transportation today. I'll add the volume, shadow and tints. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.